Sending an email through Gmail is a quick process, whether on a desktop or through the app. Begin by opening Gmail and signing in if you haven't already. In the main inbox, locate the Compose button, usually found in the top left on desktop or as a floating button in the app. Click or tap this button to open a new message window. Once the new email window is open, start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. If you want to send the message to multiple people, add their email addresses in this field or in CC, carbon copy, and BCC, blind carbon copy, fields, depending on your needs for privacy. Below the recipient fields, add a subject that briefly describes the purpose of your email. In the main message area, type your message. You can format text, add bullet points, or insert links using the toolbar within the email window. If you need to attach files, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom, which allows you to upload documents, images, or other files. After writing your message and attaching any files, review everything for accuracy. When you're ready, click Send to deliver your email. Gmail will confirm the email was sent and keep a copy in your Sent folder.